Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to charge the HyperX Pulsefire Haste to wireless in 2026. So first of all, HyperX Pulsefire Haste to wireless comes with a built-in rechargeable battery and it uses a USB cable for charging. So first of all, you need to take the USB cable that come with your mouse. After that, you just have to plug the USB-C end into the mouse and the other end into your PC or a USB adapter. Once connected, you need to take a look at the LED indicators. So if you see that the LED indicators are on the mouse, it will show charging status through the light signals, a steady or changed light when it is fully charged. So you need to allow your mouse to charge for at least 2 to 3 hours and avoid unplugging too early for best battery performance. You can also continue using the mouse while it is charging. It will function as a wired mouse during this time. You can also use a USB port or adapter which is reliable, and avoid the fast chargers or high power adapters that are not required. So you can try to keep the battery levels between 20 to 80% regularly, and avoid any kind of frequent full discharge to avoid the battery life. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.